Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing great. This is my first video on my new YouTube channel, Ash Studies, and I'm super excited. I'm Ashley, or you can call me Ash. I love anything related to studying, digital note taking, productivity, organization, and tech, and I love sharing my little tips with you I can make your studying more enjoyable. I really hope you enjoy the videos and find them helpful. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, and let's get to today's video. So today I'll be sharing 4 different ambient sounds website which actually helps you focus studying. So first up is a website called I Miss My Library. This website tries to reinculcate the ambient environment of a library by offering calming and relaxing background noises like rain, turning pages, writing on an iPad, etc. So once you set a to-do list, you can start completing it and click on the little tick mark beside it, and it will show on the completed section. You can turn the volume up and down, turn the sounds on and off. I found it so fun. And my all-time favorite are writing on an iPad and the sounds of turning pages, which is kind of a source of ASMR. And this is one of my all-time favorite websites. Focus, relax, and continue on the work I'm doing. I hope you guys find it the same. Next website is I Miss My Cafe. It is quite similar to the previous one except with the cafe vibes and with different sounds. There are many options of the sounds that we quite expect to find in a cafe. It really brings those vibes as if you're in actual place and like so aesthetically pleasing. This is the reason I love this website and find it super duper useful. Next up is Rainy Scope, which is yet another website for ambient noises. There are different seasons, noise environments, which then changes the type of ambient sounds being played. We can also set an hour-long timer in the top corner if you need that for your study sessions. And once again, it really helps a lot. There are many different sounds like autumn, winter, spring, summer, and I love it. Last but not the least is a soft murmur. This website has all the nature's sounds to help you feel like you're out in the open when actually you're at home studying. Also, this website comes with a timer as well, so you can study effectively. That's it for this video. I hope you guys find all the websites useful and helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment saying which website you found the most helpful. And hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye!